Hello, James.
Hello, mate.
You've got a new toy for us.
Oh, yes, I'm very excited about this toy as well. A roofing square of sorts, but it takes away all of the old things we used to use, all the old different tools, bevels, squares, and combines them all into one tool. And it is incredible. It's very, very good. It looks a lot like a combination square. You know, you've got little vials in here. It is different because you've got this lever. So that means you can slide it up and down nice and easily, as opposed to the old way you would use a combination square with the little piece that you turn in the middle. When it gets really clever is this little locking piece here. So you unlock that, loosen your lever off, and then we're talking bevels now. So we can start working out angles and degrees. So it's all set up for common rafters, all the pitches and the degrees. You've got one side for plumb cuts, the other side for your seat cut. Then when it gets really, really clever is you flip it over, and then we're now set up for hips and valleys. Let's say, for example, we've got a pitch of 30 degrees set for our common rafters. If we want to cut our hip or valley, we flip it over, loosen it off, then set to 30 degrees on the hip and valley side, lock that back in position, and now we're set up for cutting our hips and valleys, seats and plumb cuts. Oh yes, I say it like it's like I've never done anything like this before, but it's not that, it's the Roofus. That's the amazing bit. That's a tiny little tool. It is so accurate. It's fast and it's accurate. Using the function where you lay the blade along the rafter and then level it up until the vial's level. We checked it all around, everywhere it said it was 38 degrees. So just to be double sure and to please everybody, we checked it with a speed square as well.
Yeah.
And it was spot on 38 degrees.
Was it? Yeah.
Exactly spot on.